a message to everyone who has been took away. We forgot holy land, we think about food today. Remember that great man who has been a prisoner away, a Palestinian man in Israeli hands. They food is what they had gave him. He didn't even taste it. That's a Muslim. He never gave in, even when they cut all of his lips. Even when you threaten him on the closest side of a win, you will never see our faces one and thin. I believe in God's forgiveness. Even with this man, he says, I mean, who else could forgive? Who don't know the life when this place that I'm in is grim? Ask yourselves, are you ready for the judgment? Let's take a few moments. Let's think, let's stop risking everything behind each other's back. Please, let's stop mumbling. Somebody tell me, is all of this life is about down away? Do we have to kill in order for us to begin? Yeah, we do, so do I have to beat you all in the ring? So I can get respect and be in everyone's eyes. Big is plain, the only thing that make us men. Take a look at Napoleon. In our nation, you can bet that we're all champions. That's why now you see Arthur Allison. God, what I see is horrible. Out of state to see is deplorable. What I see make me feel so rough, but I'm working for tomorrow. Later on my Jesus flag, I want to this new flag soda. Did you forget the Muslims are one union? Man, I hate this border. We used to be big, we made ourselves smaller. We contained ourselves in this narrow space. Now we are in this narrow place. But how many lives there is still for them to take? How many of our women there's still for them to rape? They are prepared for more, yeah, you can see them brave.